Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an online store on Square. This is a very simple and easy process. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is open your browser. Then type Square Online Store in the search bar. Then click on the first link that pops up. After that, let's click on the Create Your Site. Now the sign up page will open. Here you'll have to select your country first. I'm selecting my country. It has different options for different countries, so make sure you select the country first. After that, you'll have to type your email and password, and then click Continue. Now it will further ask for more information. Select your business type. There are a lot of options, so just select one of them. Select if you would accept credit cards. Type your business name and business contact, then business address. Then click Continue. So, there you go, guys. You've successfully created a store on Square. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.